Hello and welcome to the Blue Lotus X cloud-based POS system tutorial. In this particular tutorial, we'll be covering the basic layout of our POS system and the customization options we have on offer. To begin with, what you see in front of you is our login screen. The three buttons that you see over here are the accounts we've created for this particular POS system. But of course, if you require more accounts, we can expand this to include any number of accounts as per your requirement. And now, to log in, simply click on one of the accounts and type its associated password. Note that our system can work both with a touchscreen interface as well as with a keyboard and mouse. Now, what you see in front of you is our standard dashboard. To begin with, I would like to direct your attention to this particular button over here. On clicking it, you will see that it is our order type button. This button allows you to select a particular order type. Of course, in the coming tutorial videos, we'll be going in depth with each and every one of the order types that you see over here. But in terms of customization, if you require additional buttons, maybe to include a third-party delivery service, we can include that here. Now, the next button we have is the printer on and off button. On turning the printer off, the bill for the current transaction will not be printed. Although, if there is a KOT associated with the current transaction, the KOT will still be printed. Moving on, we'll be moving to the categorization buttons right over here. In our system, we have three levels of categorization, starting off with the departments that you see over here, followed by category, and we have an additional level known as subcategory. In the current implementation, though, we only have two levels of categorization. On clicking a particular category, you'll be presented with our item list. Our item list is also highly customizable. We can change the color of a particular item, and we can even include an image for easy identification. The arrows that you see over here are navigation arrows to navigate the various tabs within the item list. On clicking the home button here, you will always be taken to the standard dashboard. Note that in our current implementation, we only have 7 tabs, but of course we can expand this to include as many tabs as you require, and you can use these arrow keys to navigate across them. Now I would like to direct your attention to the left-hand side of our POS system. This is the functionality tab. This tab deals with all the majority functions that our POS system has on offer. It has the supervisor login, move table, merge table, and so on. This particular section is also customizable in the sense that we can move certain buttons around if you require it. For example, if you require certain buttons like, for example, stock details or price check to be moved to the first page, or the first tab, I should say, we can do that for you. And secondly, if you want to restrict certain actions to just the supervisor alone, for example, if you'd like void and void transaction to be under the supervisor login, we could do that. And with that out of the way, that concludes the basic layout tutorial. If you have any questions, you could direct that to our support team and they'll happily assist you. Thank you and have a nice day.